funded and focused feature, we're looking at government contracts. And government contracts as a way to have income stream, revenue stream, funding for your business. Before any government entity reviews pricing or technical capability, it confirms that a business legally exists. This means registration with the appropriate authority for companies, sole traders, and partnerships. Procurement systems cross-check business names, registration numbers, and dates against submitted documents. Even a minor mismatch, such as abbreviations or spelling differences, can cause disqualification. The goal is to ensure that the business owner understands how to confirm legal status, organize core documents, and maintain consistency across all procurement submissions, so that eligibility is never questioned at the first screening stage. So as an example, a client named Trevon started his solar installation business from a small office near Spanish Town, confident that being registered years ago was enough. When he first attempted to submit interest for a government repair project, he discovered his company's records didn't match the name on his invoices. Doing the process himself meant weeks of confusion and rejected uploads. However, with professional guidance, he corrected the records, aligned every document, and created a master file that ensured his business identity would never again block him at the first gate.